Hello, very good morning to all of you. Today we will start chapter 7, Advanced Features of HTML. In the previous chapter, we have studied the various basic formatting tags to design a web page. We also studied CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheet, to make the web page more attractive so that it can attract the attention of website visitors. And in this chapter, we will learn some more tags to integrate objects like lists and tables. So let us discuss this one by one. And today, that is in this video, we will mainly discuss lists. So what is list? We all are familiar with the term list. For example, the list of books of class 8, the list of stationery items, or the list of items that we have to buy today in the market, and so on. If we want to buy some more goods in the market, then we make a list of the items. If it is one or two, don't need to create a list, but suppose we have to purchase 10 items, then we make a list. So, and in HTML, the list is the most effective way to present information or data in a precise manner. In the using list, we attract an attention of the website visitors. We arrange the items in an order, in a specific order, and in HTML supports different tags to create list of items to be displayed on the web page. There are mainly two types of list styles that HTML supports, and that are unordered list and ordered list. Unordered list, as the name suggests, unordered lists. We use unordered list when the different items are not required to be arranged in a specific order, arranged in a serial number, or arranged ordinally, that is according to a serial number like 1, 2, 3, and so on. In an unordered list, start with UL tag and ends with /UL tag. An unordered list displays the list of items in a fixed manner and displays a bullet sign before each of the item by default. And before moving ahead, we will discuss li tag. Li tag is used in both the cases, whether we are using unordered list or ordered list, to display the list of items. To understand it, I just give an example. Suppose we want to display some stationery items as given in the book, say pen, pencil, eraser, copy, and etc. Suppose we want to display these items as it is. So in unordered list, here I will start from body tag, and it is understood that before this there is HTML, title, head, style, and etc. whatever required. In the next body, we will start unordered list. Now li, pen, li tag ends, next pencil, li tag close, next eraser, next copy. Now UL tag, end tag, and close body, and whatever it is. Here our objective is to understand the UL tag and li tag. This code will display the list of items like this. Each item has been intended, that is aligned left, and unordered list by default displays a bullet sign before each of the item. In unordered list is also called bulleted list. Now we will discuss ordered list. As the name suggests, ordered list, we use ordered list in the case when the different list of the different items are required to be displayed in a specific order, according to a serial number, or in ordinally. So in that case we will use ordered list. I will give the example the same that I gave in the unordered list, and during the lab we will do the practical with real examples, that is especially the ordered list. And now ordered list starts with OL tag and ends with slash, like this OL tag, and in this we will use li tag to display the list of items, as li tag is used in both the cases to display the list of items, whether it is an ordered list or ordered list. Suppose we want to display the above items that I have displayed using unordered list, like this: pen, pencil, copy, eraser. We want the given items like this with ordinal number, with serial number, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us start. This time too I am starting with body tag, and it is understood that before this HTML title tags are there. Ordered list starts this pen, close list tag, pencil, copy, close li tag, start li tag, eraser, close li tag, and so on. And now close OL tag, close body tag. This will display the given list of given items like this. And one thing is to be noticed here in the code, the serial number 1, 2, 3 and 4 has not been written. It is the ordered list that displays the serial number or ordinal number before each of the items in the list. This is how ordered list works. But here I have started by default. An ordered list displays 1, 2, 3, starts the number from 1, but we can control it. For this we have some attributes of ordered list tags that we will discuss further. Attributes of OL tag. There are 3 attributes of OL tag that we will study in this class: start attribute, reversed attribute, and type attribute. The start attribute, however, by default an unordered list in ordered list displays the number, start the number from 1 by default automatically. But if we want to change the number, if we want some different number to start, we can do so by using the start attribute. Here same, I am going to give the same examples, but with start by some other numbers. Say we want to display the list of items, previous items like pen. Here I am going to start with number 101, 102, 103, and here I just started the number from 101. You can do so like this. Body, here it is the example of ordered list. So OL start equal to 101, and then write the code as I have written before. Start li tag pen in li tag pencil ink li tag eraser ink li tag ink ol tag ink body ink HTML and so on. By using start attributes, we can just change the number from which we want to start the given list of the items. And if you want to display the item in descending order, then we can use reversed attribute. Suppose we want the same list of items to display like this: 3, 2, 1. That is in descending order. Then we just change the attributes like this: OL reverse 3. It will display the list of items like this. Sorry, here the reversed attributes should be written as this: OL start equal to 3 reversed. This will be the correct order, correct attributes. Start equal to 3 reversed. Then it will start on 3 and in descending order. The next, now we will learn type attribute. Now the type attribute. Type attribute specifies the numbering or bullet mark used to mark the list, and by default it is 1 for ordered list and bullet disk for unordered list. This bullet sign is called disk, and its syntax is for ordered. Its syntax is OL equal to value, where value equal to, for ordered list, the value equal to 1 or A or small a or in Roman or I. The value of this item this, and for unordered list is value UL type equal to, sorry, the structure is like this: OL type equal to value, where value equal to, for order list it is 1 or A or small a. This 1 for starting number from 1 and A in uppercase alphabets and A in lowercase alphabets, and this is for capital Roman and this is for a small Roman case. And for unordered list, type equal to value, where value equal to disk or circle or square. Let us understand the value of ordered list like 1. If we use type equal to 1, then it displays the items serial number like this. And if we define the type A, it will displays the item of list of items like this. And if we define the type small a, the list of items will be displayed like this. And this is for capital Roman, it will display the list of items like this. And define the type small I, it will display the list of items like this and so on. And for unordered list, this a filled circle is called this, and circle, this is the circle, empty circle, and the square, it is a filled square. This is how we format the web page using lists with ordered list and unordered list. And next, in the next class we will discuss the tables.